Well, if you are in the greater Boston area on April 18, 19, and you want to take advantage of this amazing opportunity, this will certainly bring more revenues to your business. How? Well, the amount of the investment that you make is very small compared to the added advantage of offering a new service to your client. Whether you have a beauty salon or a spa, or you're a nail technician, or you're a tattoo parlor or a barber, any one of you in this area will be able to offer this service to your client. The investment that you make is really small compared to the benefits. The sessions are very affordable to the client, and for you, it's so fast, it's so quick, the treatment. Within 30 minutes, the client is in and out of your office. You turn around more clients. It's so much better for you. And it's incredible the amount of calls that we are getting here at Beauty Built for people looking to get the procedure done. And so what I do is I take them, or I guide them to the nearest available technician to their area so they can get the procedure done. We have a lot of women who want to remove old brows. Like some women, they even have two brows because they've been doing it for so long. Now they want to remove it. They want to maybe get a new microblading. Maybe the color didn't turn out well on them. You know, the tattoos are blue and they are black and they are green and some are purple. So they want to remove that. And with this technique, you can do that. You can help that client. You can help that client with that face tattoo or with that lip that is no longer serving them a purpose. They want to take the color out. They want to change the shape. You know, people are going to a more natural look these days, so they want to remove old procedures. And with this technique, using the Needles 88, invented and patented by Linda Paradis, with this new method of PMU tattoo removal with no laser, no pain, no redness, no crust, you can do that. You can help that client of yours that is dying to get a new brow, that is dying to get a new color on the lip, or that is dying to remove that old tattoo on their face. You can help that client right now. So take advantage of this opportunity. I'll be happy to tell you more about this technique using the Needles 88. You can find more information on our site. You can go to beautybuilt.com. There I have FAQ for you, formally asked questions about the product, the safety, the regulations, the legalities of the product. Everything is there for you. You can also register for the course. It's a 2-day class. It's very fast for those of you who have a busy schedule. Sunday and Monday are very good days. You know, for those of us in the beauty industry, Sunday, Monday are good days. We have that availability. So take advantage of that. We're there to help you, to answer your questions. We're looking forward to seeing you. This is a great opportunity for you to increase your revenues compared to the amount of investment that you're going to make, which is a small one. Everything is available for you, the products, the materials. You can get out of there and the next day offer that technique for your client. The training is pretty fast, okay, for those of you who already have the experience. So you're just basically offering a new service. So I invite you to try this technique. Check that out. We're here to help you. I hope to see you soon. For all of you in the Boston area, downtown, PMU artists, tattoo parlor, beauty technicians, estheticians, for those of you, go ahead. We'll be in touch with you. You'll be able to help all of those people who want to get a new face, a new procedure. That client which you're going to be removing the brow will be coming back for you for a new procedure. It's a win-win for everyone. Looking forward to seeing you. Thank you.